Good morning! Welcome to a beginner yoga practice. I'm Uliana if you are new here, and this is a simple yoga routine to help you stretch and wake up your body in the morning. Let's begin standing at the top of the yoga mat with feet around hip distance apart. Lift your toes, spread them wide, press your feet into the ground, and then place your toes back. Roll your shoulders up and back, stand nice and tall. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Try to make your breath as deep as possible. With your next inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands together in front of your chest. Inhale, reach up. See if you can bring the palms together and look up to your thumbs. Exhale, hands to the chest. One more inhale, reach up. This time, bend slightly back, stretching the front of the torso. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, reach your arms up, gentle back bend. Exhale, bend forward, bend your knees. Hands can be on the shins or on the mat. Keep your knees bent. Relax your upper body, your spine, your head is heavy. You can rock slightly here. Maybe bend your legs one by one, stretching the hamstrings. Then with your next inhale, lift your torso halfway up. Hands on the shins or higher on the thighs. Lengthen the spine. Shoulders stay away from the ears. Long upper body. Let's take one more inhale here. And with exhale, bend forward, bend your knees again. Release the spine. Inhale, slowly roll up to standing, lift your arms. Exhale, hands in front of the chest. Inhale, reach up, gentle back bend. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, lift your body halfway up. Exhale, bend forward again. Inhale, roll up to standing, back bend. Exhale, hands to your heart. And one more inhale, reach up, slightly lean back. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, halfway up, long, flat back. Exhale, hands to the mat, step back, lower down your knees, chest and chin. Inhale, slide forward, untuck the toes, lift your chest for small cobra. Exhale, release the head down. One more time, inhale, lift the chest as high as you can. Exhale, release the head down. One more inhale, lift up. Exhale, release. Tuck your toes in, press through your hands and send your hips back to your heels. Look to your hands, make sure your fingers are spread wide, hands are around shoulder distance apart. Press down through your hands and lift your hips up for downward facing dog. Keep your knees bent and keep lengthening the upper body. From your hands up to your hips, long spine. Breathe in and out through the nose. Now step your left foot forward, closer to your left hand. If you cannot step all the way through, just help yourself with the hand. Fingertips stay on the mat. Keep your torso long. Think of lifting your chest forward. And the back knee can stay up or down on the mat, whatever feels better. Feel the stretch in your hip area. Maybe it's on the front of the left leg or somewhere on the right hip. Now press through your front foot, lift your body up for high lunge. Maybe try to sink a little deeper into the hips. Strong legs. One more inhale here. Exhale, bend forward. Right hand flat on the mat. With inhale, lift your left arm and twist to the left for a gentle twist. Keep rotating your chest to the left and up to the ceiling. Inhale here. Exhale, place the hand back, step back, lower down knees, chest, chin. Inhale, slide forward, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Keep pressing down through your hands and lengthening the upper body. You can keep your knees bent or bend them one by one, stretching the back of the legs. Now step your right foot forward to your right hand. Again, the back knee can stay up or down. Send your chest forward, deepening the stretch in the hips. Send your breath to the areas that feel tight. Press down through the left foot. Inhale and lift your body up to high lunge. Exhale to sink a little deeper. One more inhale here, lengthen the torso. Exhale, bend forward. Left hand flat on the mat. Inhale, open the chest to the right. Gentle twist, look up to the ceiling. Last time, inhale, twist a little bit more. And exhale, hand down, step back, lower down knees, chest, chin. Inhale, slide forward, cobra. Exhale, head down. Now place your forearms parallel on the mat so that the elbows are just under your shoulders. Press down through your forearms and with inhale lift your chest a little higher. Think of sliding your chest forward between your upper arms. Try to lift your chest forward and up with each inhale. One last inhale here, lift as high as you can. Exhale, release the head down. Press down through your hands, send your hips back. Bring your knees to a comfortable distance, maybe mat apart or closer for child's pose. Lower your forehead down, take a couple breaths. Pay attention to how your body feels after this short stretch. Slowly lift your body up. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. Close your eyes for a moment. Think of one thing that you are grateful for this morning, however small it may be. Slowly bend your head forward, put a big smile on your face, and gently open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. Have a good day and I will see you in the next video. Bye!